Eramuye. Now,
Long tung batang.
apa jo si kalam de oye. Yen anong dinda ni yuku keron. Dini chucha elwel kulela yen. Koka nyanya wan lela ka ake jitong e chitem na on le ke dal go ke ka. Ku joga diel mit. Yen man tio achi wada mat ko dir achi tem yidi ngakol o kwanyu ko chuk u yen achi diel bay lekin tong ji jadung man tio e tong de gar e the war of education in ke dum yen tong te chu dak abi mil ko abi dol pin uka chutem kimane ne chiwe ping wo masters law many of the Red Army people like masters I chi law ko ka chi law ka chi PhDs I chi law aguten and man ka ten with my disability I managed to complete my theological degree with this disability uka agree ji ka liu man lekin I'm aspiring also to go for masters. Again, what I would like to tell you, you young people, those of whom that we attend this function today, we tell you that the remaining war is the war of education. We have completed the war of liberation. And the remaining war is the war of education. Therefore, that war is not too hard because we are standing with you. Keep on, and we will support you in any way. Yenaka wele balewik, nyale jachale, wele ke we ko jgwir, wa madlong, ubutiai. Lenku. Naling pir un bandi da ye kirto ya le jena ka gam ku yini eta bandi e yini to bandi pir yini ka ji gum won wo roki yini ka ji chaad won wo yini ka ji luy won wo yini ka de kin nar wo ka gudu kule aguten ji mi chu ka di nyale adiya ji ke ngar ke reer jong di dula ji walang bandit pir ne kamiti jitok ne kuleke bala tueng wona ke inale ko bo ko nyu urken benang kwer bi wo ke yen nyal una to ni pyo inale ka guom ma jitok no wo ko ke mi ke pyoy ubi ke chu dak bi loy yini tok naring da yini ka lamku baka mi ko baka yena tie bako ju guir ni nyale baka yena tie bako ngwen to we tene baka yena tie ko ju ngor ba indi liberation struggle u ka tie ji ko ngar wo ko gudu kola yini ka beto wona ke yini ka beto wona wo yini ka beto wona mi ko ba indi ko pyo in chiriang da cha wel ko pyo chin wo ka mi pi kin nyali abi wo ko tuk mier pyo chmanon chinele ko ko Israel on chikeria kule ko Babylon rana chidit bla cha in bandit kule le in nyali ber pe da ber wel chichir chem nan wo cha ga cha ko wo duot ko he ko ko be tung ne me de pyo ko here ko no wani war jel wong ria ko ga jel wa mumi ko no wayit ko ka ga jel ne ala impir ke liye ke ku ko le bandit in jo tie ke in jo mi ko bay ne al wo mit pyo ne ko le ne ke ben walang ne ale bay mier pyo ne ba choy tie in bandit pi ba mi ko koñ de karir ke rej kay ko rio ba tie du ba yen ke bi chilin nyali nungu ke kai tiada ke ka bu gom da chol in chule nyali ni ke tie wo u tie panden ti gwere ban kai ko jin pyo rin ke ye ku so ban di da nyali cho warir tie ri ku so ban di da u ne de nyali u mani jong di la jik abia to kan wo dia te amin
anong ko ke je jam to internet record bi wa to ping tangin e live man deng yen wan men nang ko ping in internet ju man ko kun ke je jam record ke bi ni to no
for the Red Army all over wherever they are, I am standing here speaking in the occasion Thanksgiving ceremony of the daughter of one of our colleagues, Woy Magai, in Eldred today. And I'm happy to greet you and to cheer you up wherever you are. Now, we were tear up then, but now we have our seats also, and I am proud to stand today and celebrate the Thanksgiving ceremony of the seat of Red Army member, Woy Magai. Thank God for that. Thank God for that. I appreciate that. And wabe daling lay na pew cheke game be binded bagatie no gu uko cheke gloy be binded bagatie unato na binded pyo katie ya beloga na wek laga na do ulo lo luoy ga daling daling ja beto ga